Are you tired of jumping from one workout plan to another without seeing results? Confused by all the fitness advice out there? Don't worry, you're not alone. But today, we're cutting through the noise and giving you the only 5 exercises you need to start your fitness journey. Stick around, because what you'll learn in the next few minutes might just transform your health for good. Hey there! Welcome to Health Tips, your go-to place for health and fitness tips that actually work. Whether you're just starting out or getting back into fitness after a long break, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to begin. Should you do cardio? Lift weights? Try yoga? The options are endless. But here's the thing, to build a strong foundation, you don't need complicated routines or fancy equipment. You just need to focus on a few key exercises that target your entire body and set you up for long-term success. Here's a quick challenge for you. Can you guess which 5 exercises made the list? I bet some of them will surprise you. Let's dive in. Exercise 1, the mighty squat. Let's start with the king of all exercises, the squat. Why is the squat so important? Because it's a movement you already do every day. Think about it, sitting down, standing up, picking things off the ground, it's all squatting. But here's the catch, most people do it wrong. A proper squat doesn't just work your legs, it strengthens your core, improves balance, and even helps with mobility. It's the ultimate full body exercise. How to do it? 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Keep your chest up, back straight, and core engaged. 3. Push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. 4. Go as low as your flexibility allows, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor. 5. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Why beginners need it? Squats build strength in your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. They also train your core to stabilize your body during the movement. And here's a bonus, mastering squats improves your posture, making you stand taller and look more confident. Still not convinced? Studies show that squats are one of the most effective exercises for burning calories and improving functional fitness. So, are you ready to add them to your routine? Exercise 2, the push-up. Next up is a classic move that never goes out of style, the push-up. This might sound basic, but don't underestimate its power. A properly executed push-up strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making it one of the best upper body exercises out there. Why it's perfect for beginners. You don't need a gym or equipment, just your body weight and a bit of determination. Plus, you can modify push-ups to suit your fitness level. Can't do a full push-up yet? No problem. Start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a wall. How to do it? 1. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows. 4. Push back up to the starting position without sagging your hips. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let your hips drop. Avoid flaring your elbows out too far. Keep your neck neutral, don't crane it forward. Here's a fun fact, did you know that push-ups also improve your cardiovascular health? Yep, even though it's a strength exercise, it gives your heart a solid workout too. Exercise 3, the deadlift. The deadlift might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most practical exercises you can do. Why? Because it mimics the movement of picking things up in real life. Whether it's groceries, furniture, or even your kids, a strong deadlift makes everyday tasks easier. How to do it? 1. Stand with your feet hip width apart, with a barbell or dumbbells in front of you. 2. Bend at your hips and knees, keeping your back straight. 3. Grip the weight firmly and push through your heels to stand up. 4. Keep the weight close to your body as you lift. 5. Lower the weight back down with control. For beginners, if weights feel too heavy, start with a resistance band or even just your body weight to practice the movement pattern. Muscles worked. Deadlifts target your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core. They also strengthen your grip and improve your posture. This exercise is a game changer for building total body strength. Quick tip: when done correctly, deadlifts are safe and effective. But when done wrong, they can lead to injury. Stick around for tips on how to perfect your form. Exercise 4, the plank. Let's talk about the plank, the ultimate core exercise. Unlike crunches or sit-ups, which target just one area of your abs, planks engage your entire core, including your obliques and lower back. Why beginners love it? Planks are simple yet challenging. They teach you how to stabilize your body, which translates to better performance in all other exercises. How to do it. 1. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Engage your core and hold the position as long as you can without letting your hips sag. Progressions. Start with 10-15 seconds and gradually increase your time. Try side planks to target your obliques. Think planks are too easy? Here's a challenge: hold a plank for 60 seconds without breaking form. Let us know in the comments if you can do it. Exercise 5, the pull-up or row. Last but not least, we have pull-ups or their beginner-friendly alternative, rows. These exercises are crucial for building upper body and back strength, areas that are often neglected. For beginners, pull-ups can be tough, but don't worry. You can start with resistance bands or inverted rows using a bar or TRX straps. The goal is to build up your strength over time. How to do it. 1. For pull-ups, grip the bar with your palms facing away. 2. Engage your back muscles and pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. 3. Lower yourself with control. 4. For rows, lean back slightly while holding onto a bar or resistance band. 5. Pull the weight or band toward your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Why it's important. Rows and pull-ups strengthen your lats, traps, biceps, and rear delts. They also improve your posture and help prevent back pain. Struggling to do your first pull-up? Don't worry, it's a journey. Every rep brings you closer to your goal. Keep going. Final tips for beginners. Now that you know the only 5 exercises you need, here are a few tips to make the most of your workouts. 1. Start slow, don't rush. Focus on mastering your form first. 2. Be consistent, aim for at least 2-3 sessions per week. 3. Progress gradually, add weight, reps, or time as you get stronger. 4. Listen to your body, rest if you're feeling sore or fatigued. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to these basics, and you'll build a strong foundation for years to come. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple, science-backed fitness tips. And don't forget to share this video with someone who's just starting their fitness journey. See you in the next one.